Kiwi, also known as the Chinese gooseberry, is a small fruit packed with a range of health benefits. High nutritional value. Kiwis are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber, making them a nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in kiwis is beneficial for the immune system, aiding in the body's defense against illnesses and infections. Digestive health. Kiwis contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting digestive health by aiding regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. Heart health. Potassium in kiwis helps regulate blood pressure and may reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Additionally, the antioxidants in kiwis contribute to heart health. Improved skin health. The vitamin C and E content in kiwis promotes collagen production, contributing to healthy skin and potentially reducing signs of aging. Eye health. Kiwis contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Aids in sleep. Kiwis contain antioxidants and serotonin, which may help improve sleep quality and duration. Antioxidant powerhouse. Kiwis are loaded with antioxidants, such as polyphenols and vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Weight management. Kiwis are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, aiding in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Incorporating kiwis into your diet can provide these health benefits, but it's essential to balance them with a variety of fruits and vegetables for a well-rounded nutrition plan. Sure, kiwi fruit, often referred to as the kiwi fruit or simply kiwi, is a small, oval-shaped fruit with a fuzzy brown exterior and bright green flesh with small black seeds. Here are some more interesting aspects about kiwis. Origin. Kiwis originated in China and were initially known as Chinese gooseberries. They were later renamed kiwi fruit due to their resemblance to the kiwi bird found in New Zealand. Varieties. There are several varieties of kiwi, with the most common being the Hayward kiwi. Other types include golden kiwi, yellow fleshed, baby kiwi, smaller sized, and various hybrid cultivars. Nutritional profile. Kiwis are rich in vitamins and nutrients. They're notably high in vitamin C, containing even more per serving than oranges. They also provide vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. Preparation and consumption. Kiwis can be eaten raw by cutting them in half and scooping out the flesh with a spoon or peeled and sliced. The skin is edible, but is often removed due to its fuzzy texture. Seasonality. Kiwis are typically harvested in the fall, but are available in many markets year-round due to different growing seasons in various regions. Culinary uses. Besides being eaten fresh, kiwis can be used in salads, smoothies, desserts, and as a garnish for various dishes. They add a sweet tart flavor and a vibrant color to recipes. Health benefits. Beyond the nutritional value, kiwis are associated with numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, heart health, skin health, immune system support, and better sleep quality. Ripening and storage. Kiwis should be stored at room temperature until ripe. Once ripe, they can be kept in the refrigerator for a few days. To ripen them faster, place them in a paper bag with an apple or banana. Allergies. Some people may have allergies to kiwi, experiencing symptoms ranging from mild itchiness to more severe reactions. It's advisable to be cautious if you have known allergies to other fruits or latex. Versatility. Kiwis are versatile and can be used in various dishes, from sweet to savory, making them a popular choice in many cuisines worldwide. Including kiwis in your diet can add a burst of flavor and a wealth of nutrients, contributing to a balanced and healthy eating plan.